Let's be honest, when it comes to a dive watch, all you really need is the hours, minutes, and seconds displayed very legibly with an easy to grip timing bezel. But then again, divers have dive computers, so nothing, at least horologically speaking, is actually needed. So if designing a dive watch is no longer, strictly what is just needed, then brands like Omega have the freedom to go wild, as they did just days ago with the new Planet Ocean Worldtimer. The Omega Planet Ocean Worldtimer and its 2 debuting configurations mark the first ever Worldtimer within the collection. The watch is unapologetic in design and definitely not for the faint of wrist, measuring 45.5 millimeters in diameter. It is worth noting that this is a 600 meters water-resistant watch cased in black ceramic with a screw-down crown. And since ceramic is a lightweight yet robust material, it certainly will not feel like a paperweight attempting to drag you down 600 meters on the wrist. For comparison, looking at the 43.5 millimeter Planet Ocean, which is equally water resistant at 600 meters, it measures 43.5 millimeters in diameter, 16.1 millimeters thick, and 49 millimeters lug to lug. Looking at a Planet Ocean of equal diameter, though the 45.5 millimeter Omega Steel Seamaster Planet Ocean 6,000 meter Ultra Deep is 10 times more water resistant, it is 18.1 millimeters thick and 51.9 millimeters lug to lug. So if you've tried that watch on, this will wear similarly in size, but feel much lighter on the wrist. Between those two pieces, it's a battle between heft and depth, or light and complicated. Let me know what you would prefer in the comments below. I'm just curious. But back to the watch, or watches at hand. Omega has opted for a more muted and stealthy finish for these watches. The black ceramic case entirely brushed and the ceramic bezel grained or frosted with a raised, polished, but still black timing scale. Moving inward to the dial, you have Omega's familiar Worldtimer layout, with the outermost perimeter rings displaying cities around the world, and in the center of the dial, a laser-ablated map and motif of the globe. You also have applied hour indices and 3 central hands, all filled with luminous material to glow in the dark. The twist of these predominantly black dials is the use of a honeycomb pattern, something we have seen Omega do before on watches like its Speedmaster Super Racing, which debuted the brand's Spirate system. Where these two configurations ultimately differ is in their color accents joining the larger black color scheme. The first keeps things more noir and monochrome with accents of white, and the other is more bold and lively with jolts of turquoise. Both watches, however, have black rubber straps with black ceramized titanium fold-over clasps. The stitching of each strap will color match the accents found on the dial. Exhibited inside is the in-house automatic Omega Metas Master Chronometer Coaxial 8938 movement with 60 hours of power reserve, decorated in a familiar fashion with Omega's now signature Geneva waves and arabesque. In terms of industrial decoration, this is really as good as it gets, I would say. So, is black on black conducive to legibility at deep depths? Probably not. But again, this is not an exercise dedicated to practicality. There are no illusions here, or there. In my opinion, this watch is best suited for the burly, globe-trotting businessmen out there looking for a watch that, as they travel, vacation, or simply enjoy a weekend, that can be worn on a boat, at the beach, or even in a last-minute business meeting with a shirt sleeve cuffed up, because we know it's quite thick. Some will decry it is too big or too thick, but we have to give credit where it's due. I cannot think of a more robust and water-resistant Worldtimer watch than these 2 new Planet Ocean Worldtimer watches. The Omega Planet Ocean Worldtimer is available now for purchase, priced at $14,800 US. Now, as always, I am pleading with you, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We know most of you watching this video probably haven't subscribed, and that's a shame. So hit that button, and if you want bonus points, hit the bell icon so that you can be actually notified when our new videos come out. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you can be tuned in to all the latest watch news, reviews, and content. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.